This is Marley Bogdan and Pompano Beach MarineMax aboard the Sea Ray 210 SPX. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury V6 outboard and also has the sports tower, which makes it great for skiing, tubing, and other water sports. Here we have a rear lounge seat, and moving into the cockpit, we have a nice removable cooler along with a built-in cooler under the seat that drains into the bilge. There are stainless steel grab rails and cup holders throughout the entire boat. And here we have a big ski locker, which can fit a lot. It's a big storage space. A nice Simrad display. And then the Fusion stereo with the speakers throughout the entire boat. In the front, we have the bow filler cushion in that is removable and makes this a nice area to lay out in the sun or sit when you're underway. If you're interested in this boat, please contact us here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is Marley Bogdan, 407-446-5990.